In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Cloudways site not loading. If your website suddenly hangs, shows a blank white screen, or refuses to load at all, don't panic. A site not loading can be caused by several different issues, and the key is to troubleshoot in the right order. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a clear process inside Cloudways so you can identify whether the problem is related to server resources, background services, caching, or domain and SSL settings. First, log into your Cloudways platform and open the Servers section. Select the server where the affected website is hosted, then go into Monitoring and check the summary charts. Pay close attention to CPU and memory usage. If either one is stuck near 100%, that usually means the server is overloaded and struggling to respond. In that case, open Settings and Packages, go to the Advanced tab, and review your application processing limits. If needed, scale the server up so it has more breathing room. This is often the fastest fix when a traffic spike or heavy process has pushed the machine too far. If the server health looks normal, the next step is to restart the services that actually process and serve your website. In the server management area, open Manage Services. Find PHP FPM and restart it first, because this often clears stuck PHP requests and frozen application processes. After that, restart your web server layer, whether that is Nginx or Apache. These restarts are quick and they can restore traffic flow when services have silently locked up. Next, clear any caching layers that may still be serving a broken version of the site. In the same Manage Services area, locate Varnish and use the Purge or Restart option. Then go to the Application section, open the affected website, head to Application Settings, and under the Tools tab, run Varnish Purge there as well. This helps remove stale cached content both at the server level and the application level. If the site still has issues, check the domain and SSL configuration. Inside the application dashboard, open Domain Management and confirm that the correct custom domain is entered and marked as primary. Then open SSL certificate and make sure the certificate is valid and not expired. If needed, reinstall the certificate so HTTPS starts working properly again. Finally, test the site in a private or incognito window. Confirm that pages load correctly, that there are no browser security warnings, and that your server metrics have returned to safe levels. By following this